back to Infinity Platter. Started in 2004 and reviving ancient candy making techniques, Papa Bubble has been offering their unique candies to millions of people all around the world. These candies are handmade, artisanal, high quality candies that have any design that you can imagine inside of it. I'm so excited for you to see this incredible process of candy making, so let's check it out. In a deep pan, the mixture is first made with water, isomalt and sucrose. It's left to boil for half an hour or until it reaches 160 degrees Celsius. Once it reached the desired temperature, the heat was turned off, the flavoring was added and mixed well. The mixture was then shifted onto a cold steel surface that's been previously waxed so it doesn't stick. The colors are added at this stage and left to cool for 30 seconds. A tiny bit of citric acid is added when they're making fruit flavors, which enhances the fruity taste. Each piece is then cut out and they start making the design of choice. Today they were making watermelon candy. The mixture is stretched to make the color lighter and to add a different texture. The mixture is then shifted onto a hot surface to roll. Wow. The 70 degrees Celsius of this surface temperature helps maintain the texture and ensures that the sugar remains pliable so it's easy to stretch. While rolling continuously and stretching gently at the same time, the large candy is made into tiny strips and then shifted again onto a cold surface. Once the candy is cool and hard enough, it's then cut into tiny pieces. All that's left for us to do is eat and enjoy.
Very good.
That's all I can do, guys. So look at this wonderful creation, my Infinity Platter logo on a lollipop. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as we enjoyed making it for you. If you want some unique candies for some special occasions, you know where to come. And if there's anything in particular that you want to see in Barcelona, let me know in the comment section below. Have a sweet, sweet day and I'll see you next week.